Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Sujan Reddy of class 6M ISC Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today let us gonna see about web technology and its application. In web technology is nothing but a front end. Let us see today about a front end, and a front end we basically everyone prefer by doing a HTML. In that we specifically see about the HTML tables. Okay. So introduction to the tables. HTML tables are powerful tools for organizing and displaying data on a web pages. Okay, as I told, HTML is a powerful tool that can be used to design a table or organizing in a web pages. Whatever you see on the web pages, pictures or some content or anything that will be managed by this or designed by this HTML, and this is a beautiful tool that can be designed and organized as you want your web page front end. They allow you to create rows, columns, and information that can be easily read and write understood by the users. Okay, as I said, whatever you need on the front end or whatever should be displayed in the user end, that everything can be done in the HTML, done by using the HTML. And mainly today we are focusing about HTML tables. And table, it will be containing rows, columns, and the table header and the information in those table and table headers. Okay, tables are made up of cells which can contain text, image, links, or other types of contents. By using HTML tags and attributes, you can control the size, alignment, and formatting of your table cells. As previously I said, everything whatever you need, text, picture, or a video, or any some other designs or something content should be displayed, everything can be done by using this HTML tags in the front end part. And creating an tables in HTML. Okay, to create a HTML table, we use table tag. Inside that table tag, we define the rows and columns of your table using the tr and the td tags respectively. You can also add headings to those tables using ts tables. Ts tag by default tables have no borders or styling, but you can use css to customize the appearance of your table. Okay, they is saying that, see, we use some tags called table, tr, td, th. Okay, this table references a whole table what you are seeing in your right hand side corner. That is called as a whole table, like we say cell 1, cell 2, it's like whole table. And there t are reference to the is a table row. Table, the tag t are reference to the table row, the row that can be formed by using a tag tr. And a td, what is the cell 1, cell 2, cell 3 written, that is the table data that can be written by using a tag called td. Okay, and another one is a th is the table header. It's not table header is like HTML table what you can see in that snapshot. Okay, so by using a th you can be you can give the heading to the table. And for this everything needs a style. And in HTML, it's like a drawback, we cannot style the sheets like as you want, but using css you can customize your appearance of your table. Okay, nice. Spanning rows and columns. Okay, now we'll talk about the rows and columns. Okay, the rows and col span are the attributes of td tag. These are used to specify the number of rows or columns a cell should merge. The row span attribute is for merging rows, and the column span attribute is for merging columns of the tables in table. Okay, we'll see the code first. I will tell you code and the what is the output in the right side. The code is like in the left side. We'll just observe both the things. Like table is like full table what you are seeing, name, age, which are contained in the table. And table row th is like a column span. Okay, we need some name, first name and last name, that should come under only in the one table heading, so we use like a column span two. Okay, one is name and another one is age. Okay, like table row it ends there, and another table row will start here. And like first name is, I took random name Jill, and the last name is Smith. The age is like 43, and the second input is like Eve Jackson, and the second age is like 57. And this is an better example for an spanning rows and columns. Okay, Now styling a html tables. Okay, now we should style the borders and what and all the for font size, everything can be styled by using the html, or also you can be used better by css. Okay, it's like table borders. This property is for setting the borders. Table border is equals to, so we are setting the width length. What should be the width of the table? Like we are given that 100%, regularly everyone will be using 100% as a width, and have mentioned said you about a table column under spanning. It's like first name, last name, and age. There are first three table heading, and there are inputs like Shreya Mishra, Jay Singh, and Philip Watson, and their ages in respectively, and shown in the code as simple as that. And this html caption, the caption element is used to add a caption to the table. Okay, we can see there easily. The caption is given like information, whole table. That caption is like information. It's like when you post some image, there will be a caption in under that. So in this also, when some table is containing some data, that should be some caption, what it is representing, or what is the theme of that, what are the content that indicating that, and those will be that caption can be given here. And the similar table row, table heading, and contents can be written in the as shown in the previous slides. Okay, and lastly, what are the accessibility of tables? html tables can be quite frustrating for an accessibility standpoint. Users who rely on visual readers can find pages with many tables especially difficulty to use. One vital way to improve the situation is to only use tables for tabular data, not for layout. Okay, it's saying that when we go through accessing this html to like tables, there will be multiple tables coming around like in the same way. So is saying that it's not better for only for tabular data, not for the layout. Okay, using the following accessibility feature for tables in html can improve the experience for those users. Describes the table content using the caption element. This provides the user with the ability to discover what is the table is about before having to listen to content of the each and every cell in the table. Connect the cells with the textual description in a header. While it is easy for a sighted user to quickly see what row or column a given data is in, for users relying on visual leaders, this is not very easy on easy task. Okay, okay, yeah, as we know that, as I said that html, by using html we can style our sheets however we want, but there are some difficulties. Okay, so those should be sorted, and we should design our page. Okay, is this is about html tag, and thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.